Alright, welcome back to another one. We're still in the mountains. Who knows how many parts this video is? But I don't care. This is like one of those rides that I do where I think the entire ride is just epic as shit. And I want to document it. And if people don't want to watch it, I don't fucking care. I do YouTube for me, not for anybody else. This is a day that I want to remember. So if this video ends up being 10 parts, guess fucking what, bro? It's 10 parts. Alright, dude. Y'all are pissing me off, bro. I'm tired of this shit, bro. I'm tired. I'm fucking tired, bro. I'm creating a gap. I'm creating a gap. Alright. This is what y'all came here for. You said what? We passed it. Miles ago. Miles ago. We're on a bad spot. Come on. That was the dumbest spot I could have stopped. I literally almost dropped my bike. We'll get to the top and we'll recoup. Alright. See you at the top! Alright. Is this gonna be our solo dolo? Locked in, baby, locked in. All the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. I'm gonna do it nice and slow so that they have a chance to catch up. Fuck it, fuck them, fuck them. I love them, but fuck them. I'm gonna pull out, fuck it. Fuck it. Literally caught all the way back up to traffic. That's wild. Yippee-ki-yay! Woo! It's the only way I can force myself to slow down. Oh my god, I scraped! Ah, dude. Alright, fuck it. For the content, we're gonna pull over. I don't think I need to be going Mach 5. I just want to just, bah, you know? Get some filming, get some shit at the homie, you know? Alright, bro, that means you better be on your shit, alright? You have the lead. That means you need to treat it like you're in the lead. Whoa! 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 What the fuck? Thank God I wasn't going Mach 5.
Well, good job setting it down slowly. I got it. Nothing's wrong with it.
Move.
Oh,
what's going on here? Are y'all good? I'm praying to God that there's that gas station up here at the top, because we will not do this. We're not going to make this mountain run if we don't have gas. I mean, if anything, at least the scenery is still beautiful. Yeah, this is nice. Damn, I wish I had something to talk about. I don't have anything to talk about. I'm kind of just sitting here with my thoughts. I got nothing. Genuinely. I'm actually gonna run out of footage. Let me end this real quick. I'll catch you on in a minute. Oh, we're here at the top of the mountain now. We had a little confunkel. We got stopped at a construction stop, and she dropped her bike, and I guess it caused like a huge detour. That's straight though. I mean, that's how it's supposed to be. It's loose like that. Mine's like that too.
It's not loose. It's bent inward.
The bar, yeah, that's easy. That's an easy fix, bro.
Right now, is it?
I mean, do you got 2 wrenches on you?
I didn't bring a wrench.
If you don't have 2 wrenches on you, then no. But that is, can you not shift properly?
It's just
What you got? Let me see what you got.
a bunch of Allen keys that go to our bikes.
Let's see what I can do. Oh my God, what a ride, bro. That shit was insane. I am. There you go. Oh, good shit, bro. Damn, so you know what that means, bro? Dude, going down may not be possible. At least not all the way.
It's gonna ruin the...
It's gonna ruin it. Like, we'll have so much fun, and then we're gonna get down there, and then we're just gonna be pissed. I don't know the left side like that. Yeah, I want to take my jacket off, too.
She's cold.
She's cold?
I feel amazing.
Fuck it, I never do this, but I'm a raw dog the armor. Alright, I'll put this back on in a second. Here, you guys can look out the scenery. It's not that cold.
No, it's not cold.
So you know what that means? That means you're not going hard enough. Cause we're sweating like buckets probably.
Yeah, I was slowing down, but it was cool that I could talk to her, because I could go in front or behind her and give her power on. I don't want to leave you completely connected. But yeah, how do you feel about those turns on the way out? You can tell it's good practice.
Excuse me, I'm filming here. I am filming here, sir. Just a quick little one? Just a quick little one? No! 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 No!